session is on profit and loss. It is a part 2. Please look at profit 1 for better understanding. We have different types of problems in profit and loss. Now in this session, we will look at few problems such that if we have loss, then to avoid it, how much should be the selling price, or by selling by other price if it is a loss or profit. Such type of problems we'll be solving. Please like, share, and subscribe this particular channel. Let us start now. Simple method to solve profit and loss problems. Okay. Now if you have something like a cost price X, it is in 100% and a profit of P percentage, then selling price we can find it out, which is equal to nothing but 100 plus P percentage of X, which is equal to 100 plus P by 100 into X. Okay. Similarly, if you have some cost price X, it is in 100% and it has a loss of L percentage, then we can find the selling price, which is equal to nothing but 100 minus L percentage of X, which is equal to 100 minus L by 100 into X. By this particular method, we'll be solving few problems now. Let us start the problems. Come to the next question. A person ensures a loss of 5% by selling a watch for rupees 1140. At what price should be the watch be sold to earn 5%? Okay. First, we understand the question. They're saying that the person ensures a loss of 5% by selling the watch by rupees 1140. Right. So first one, they are saying that loss percentage is equal to 5% when the selling price is equal to 1140. Right. Now they are saying at what price should be the watch be sold to earn 5% profit. So the second one, they are saying that profit should be there, which is equal to nothing but 5%. Then the selling price is equal to how much they are asking. Right. For this one, if you know the cost price here in the first case, then easily we can find the selling price of a second one, right, to get a profit of 5%. Right. So if you consider the cost price is equal to X, first we're defining the cost price. General formula that we know is nothing but loss percentage is equal to nothing but loss by cost price X into 100. Right. Loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. So it becomes X minus 1140 by X into 100. Your loss percentage is given as nothing but 5. Right. So just substitute it, we get 5 by 100. X is equal to nothing but X minus 1140. Right. Which implies we get 95 by 100. X is equal to 1140. Right. So just substitute it. So X is equal to nothing but 1140 into 100 by 95. Right. So it gives by 20, it goes by 19. So 19 goes by 60. Right. So it becomes 1200. So cost price is equal to nothing but 1200, 1200. Right. But this is in the method. Okay. One of the simple method how to solve is nothing but, as we know that when the cost price is equal to X, and the cost price is equal to X, which is nothing but 100%. If you consider in 100%, we are getting 5% loss. Right. What will be selling price is nothing but 100% minus 5% of cost price is nothing but selling price. So selling price is equal to nothing but 100 minus 5% of cost price X. Right. So here we know the selling price. We can find the cost price. Right. Here we can get as 1140 is equal to 95 by 100 X. So just substitute it, we get X is equal to nothing but 1200. There is one more method of solving it. Okay. There is a lengthy method. There is a simple method to solve it. Okay. Now we have to find the selling price to get a 5% profit. Right. So here we got in 100%. Cost price is 100%. We have to get a selling price with a profit of 5%. Then selling price is equal to nothing but 100 plus 5 percentage of x, which is equal to nothing but 105 by 100. Here x value is nothing but 1200. 0 get cancelled, which is equal to nothing but 1260. So when the selling price is 1260, we get a profit of 5%. So answer is option C. Next question. Tarun got 30% commission on the label price of an article and sold it for rupees 8750 with 25% profit on the price he brought. What was on a label price? It is a similar type of question, right? First, we understand the question. By saying that Tarun got 30% concession on a label price. So if label price is nothing but market price. If you consider the market price is equal to 100%, in this one he got a concession of 30%. It is nothing but a discount. He got a discount which is equal to nothing but 30%. It has been given, right? Again they are saying that sold at rupees 8750. So again he sold it within a selling price is equal to 8750, right? Again they are saying 25% profit on the price. So profit percentage is given as nothing but 25%, right? Now they are saying what was in a label price. If you consider the market price as in a label price which is equal to x, we have to find the value of x now. For this one, if you consider the cost price, what will be the cost price? Market price is 100%, discount is 30%. Then the cost price is nothing but 100 minus 30, it becomes 70% of x, right? Which is equal to nothing but 70 by 100x, which is equal to 7 by 10x, right? This is a cost price. Now he would be selling it such that he would be getting a profit of 25%, right? If you consider this one as a 100%, in that one he got as a 25% profit. Then selling price, we know the formula. Selling price is equal to nothing but it becomes 100 plus profit is 25% of cost price. Here selling price is given as nothing but 8750, right? The cost price we consider 7 by 10x, right? So just substitute it. It becomes 125 by 100 into cost price is 7 by 10x is equal to 8750. By this we can find the value of x, which is nothing but market price or label price, right? So find the value of x now. Here it goes by the 5, it goes by the 4. Again this one it goes by the 2, 8, right? So x is equal to nothing but 8750 into 8 by 7, right? 1 it goes by a 1, then it becomes 2, 5, 0s, which is equal to 8 into 1250. It becomes 10,000. So the label price or market price is nothing but option A. Come to next question. A trader sold an article at a loss of 5%, but when he increases the selling price by 65 rupees, he gains 3.33% on the cost price. If he sells the same article for rupees 936, what is the profit percentage? Okay. First, we understand the question. They think that the trader sold an article for a loss of 5%. So they are given the loss, which is equal to nothing but 5%. Then there will be some selling price and there will be some cost price also, right? Now they are saying when he increases the selling price by rupees 65 rupees, he gains 3.33% on cost price. Now again they are saying the profit he got is equal to nothing but 3.33% with other selling price. If you consider the loss selling price as SP1 and profit selling price is SP2 and within the same cost price. Okay. Now they are saying that he has been increasing the selling price by 65 rupees, right? So we can say that SP2 minus SP1 is equal to nothing but 65 rupees, right? Now they are saying that if we sell the same article for 936, the profit percentage is. Now they are saying that if the selling price is equal to 936, then the profit percentage is equal to how much? We have to find it out, which is nothing but P by cost price into 100, right? What is profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. For this one, we have to find the cost price. But we know that selling price 2 minus selling price 1 is equal to 65 rupees. If you consider the cost price is equal to X, which is nothing but 100%. You are getting loss and profit. We can find the selling price by using a formula, right? And the SP2 is nothing but selling price is nothing but 100 plus it is a profit, so it becomes plus, right? 3.33 percentage is not 10 by 3 percentage. Okay, it becomes 10 by 3 percentage of X minus, here SP1 is not but loss, so it becomes 100 minus 5 percentage of X is equal to nothing but given as 65, right? So just substitute it. If you consider the LCM, it becomes 100 by 100, right? So it becomes 310 by 300 of X means it becomes X, right? Minus, it becomes 95 by 100 X is equal to nothing but 65, right? So taking LCM, so it becomes 3 into 95. So 95 with an A, multiply with an A, 3. So it becomes 15, so it becomes 285. 285 minus 310, right? 310 and 285, just subtract it. So it becomes 5, it becomes 2. So it becomes 25 X by 300 is equal to 65, right? 25 ones are, it goes by 12. Therefore, X value is equal to nothing but 65 into 12, which is equal to nothing but it becomes 12 by 60 and 72, it becomes 780, which is nothing but the cost price. We got it. By means of cost price, we can find the profit percentage. Now here the profit percentage is equal to nothing but selling price minus cost price. So it becomes 936 minus 780, right? So it becomes 6, it becomes 5, and it becomes 1. It is 156 by cost price is not much 780 into 100. This 0 get cancelled. One side goes by 2 side, right? So which is equal to but 20%. So when he sells for 936, he gets a profit of 20%. So answer the option C. Come to the next question. A dealer sold an article at the loss of 1 by 2 percentage. Had he sold for rupees 100 more, he would have gained 7 1 by 2 percent. To gain 12 1 by 2 percentage, he should sell it for. Okay, it is a similar type of question. First, we understand the question. They're saying that the dealer sold an article a loss of 2 1 by 2 percentage. So there's a loss, which is equal to 2 1 by 2 means it becomes 5 by 2 percentage. And there's some selling price, say SP1, and there's some cost price, right? Again, they are saying had he sold for rupees 100 more, okay, he would have gained 7 by 2 percentage. So there would be a profit. 7 by 2 means it becomes 15 by 2 percentage with other selling price SP2 with the same cost price, right? But they are saying that he sold for rupees 100 more, right? So it becomes SP2 minus SP1 is equal to nothing but 100, right? Now they are saying to gain 12 by 2 percentage, he should sell for, okay? Now they are saying that the profit should be equal to 12 by 2 means it becomes 25 by 2 percentage, right? Then selling price is how much we have to find it out, right? If you consider the cost price is equal to X, which is 100%, in that one you have to get a profit of 25 by 2, right? Then selling price is equal to nothing but it becomes 100 plus 25 by 2 percentage of cost price X. So it becomes 225 by 200 X, right? It goes by 9, it goes by 8. So which is equal to 9 by 8x, right? So we have to find the value of x now. What is x? X is the cost price, right? But we know the difference between the selling prices. X is nothing but a cost price. Okay, we have to find the cost price. But we know the difference between the selling prices, right? In terms of percentages, we can find the selling price, right? If you consider SP2, right, it is in a profit, right? So selling price is nothing but it becomes 100 plus it is in a profit, so it becomes 15 by 2 percentage of x minus SP1 is a loss, so it becomes 100 minus 5 by 2 percentage of x, which is equal to nothing but 100, right? So it becomes 215 by 200 x minus, here it becomes 195 by 200 x is equal to 100. So first find the difference, it becomes 20 by 200 x is equal to 100, right? Then find the value of x. X is equal to nothing but here one side goes by 10, it becomes 1000. We got the x value, so we can find the selling price, which is equal to 9 by 8 into 1000, right? So it becomes 1, it goes by 125, which is equal to nothing but 9 into 125, it becomes 1125, right? So to gain a profit of 12 by 2 percentage, selling price should be rupees 1125, right? Option D. Come to the next question. The cash difference between selling price of an article and profit of 4% and 6% is 3. Ratio of two selling prices. Okay. First, to understand the question. It is also a similar type of question. They're saying that the cash difference between the selling price of article and profit of 4% and 6% is 3. Right. So there are two profits. It is a profit 1 and is a profit 2. It is 4% and here it is 6%. The difference is given as 3. So it becomes SP2 minus SP1 is equal to 3. It has been given. Now they are saying the ratio of two selling prices. Okay, we have to find the ratio of SP1 is to SP2 is equal to how much we have to find out. If you consider the cost price is equal to X, which is 100%. Okay, in this one, the cost price in terms of percentage and profit in terms of percentages, right? We can find the selling prices also. So it becomes nothing but selling price 1 is equal to nothing but 100 plus 4 percentage of X is to SP2 is nothing but 100 plus 6 percentage of cost price X, right? So it becomes 104 by 100 X is to 106 by 100 X, right? 100 get cancelled, X get cancelled, 2 side goes by 52, it goes by 53. So ratio is equal to nothing but 52 is to 53. So answer option B.